What do the world's richest self-made billionaires have in common? Is it luck, a genius IQ, or being born into wealthy families? Surprisingly, no. While every billionaire has a different story, many of them share the same daily habits that help them build extraordinary success. From Elon Musk to Warren Buffett, from Jeff Bezos to Mark Zuckerberg, these habits appear again and again. Today, we're breaking down 10 habits of self-made billionaires, and habit number 10 may be the most important of all. Let's begin. Habit 1. They never stop learning. Self-made billionaires treat learning like an investment. They read books, study markets, listen to experts, ask questions. Knowledge compounds over time, just like money. The more you learn, the better your future decisions become. Habit 2. They think long-term. Most people focus on today's paycheck. Billionaires think about where they'll be in 10 years. Every decision is made with the future in mind. They're willing to sacrifice short-term comfort for long-term freedom. Habit 3. They solve big problems. Money follows value. The bigger the problem you solve, the bigger your potential reward. The world's wealthiest entrepreneurs didn't become rich by chasing money. They became rich by solving problems that millions of people face. Habit 4. They take calculated risks. They don't gamble. They calculate. Every major decision is researched, analyzed, and measured before action. Successful people understand that avoiding every risk is often the biggest risk of all. Habit 5. They protect their time. Time is their most valuable asset. Many billionaires avoid unnecessary meetings, distractions, and endless scrolling. They focus on work that creates the highest value, because lost money can be earned again. Lost time never comes back. Habit 6. They build strong networks. Success rarely happens alone. Great relationships create opportunities. Billionaires surround themselves with talented people who challenge their thinking and help them grow. Your network often influences your future more than you realize. Habit 7. They stay disciplined. Motivation comes and goes. Discipline stays. The world's most successful people continue working even when they don't feel like it. Consistency beats occasional bursts of effort every single time. Habit 8. They embrace failure. Every billionaire has failed. Some lost millions. Some watched businesses collapse. But they treated failure as education instead of defeat. Every setback became a lesson for the next opportunity. Habit 9. They focus on health. Success means little without health. Many high-performing entrepreneurs prioritize sleep, exercise, healthy eating, and mental well-being. A healthy body supports a productive mind. Energy is one of the greatest competitive advantages. Habit 10. They take action. Ideas are everywhere. Execution is rare. The biggest difference between dreamers and achievers is action. Self-made billionaires don't wait for perfect timing. They start. They improve. They adapt. They keep moving forward while everyone else is still planning. Action creates momentum. Momentum creates results. Let's recap the 10 habits of self-made billionaires. Never stop learning. Think long-term. Solve big problems. Take calculated risks. Protect your time. Build strong networks. Stay disciplined. Learn from failure. Prioritize your health. Take action. You don't need billions of dollars to start thinking like a billionaire. You just need to begin building better habits, one day at a time. So here's my question. Which of these habits do you already practice, and which one will you start today? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more videos about business, success, investing, and wealth building. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.